Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So I'm waiting for my taxi. Oh, now the man can't reach. I should have bought food. I should have bought food first and then call my taxi. I'm still getting used to this vlogging thing. It's kind of awkward to actually have like a camera out vlogging. It's different if I was doing my phone because I could just pretend I'm snapping. But to be actually like talking to a camera, it's kind of awkward because people are looking at me like, what are you doing? So the driver just called me again. He's at the wrong location again. And I'm here waiting. It's been like 20 minutes. The slackness of Jamaican taxi drivers. It's crazy. So the story of this area is this man one day just decided to build on the banks. And he's been doing a very good job. I wish I could have showed you guys the progression, but trust and believe, over here didn't look like this before. The man has his garden. He soon come pave off this, you know. Driveway, you know.
And then
this is the back of Tankwell.
the same fence. So that means that even though it's supposed to get you nowhere from
his ends, yeah.
I say properly built.
Wall and everything. No people don't have wall, you know.
Nice as it high as a fucking Tankwell fence. Wow.
Okay, he soon pave off this.
But nice, you don't feel cool.
Yeah. Nice.
I feel like I somebody that chill.
Yeah. Filling up the cool bar and
You see the step? You see the step?
yeah.
You see the step back there?
No.
You see the step now?
And then over here.
Architectural design that, you know?
Yeah. And made it his own. All up here, it's a two family yard, you know?
You know?
It's a two family yard.
No, wait, only right there.
I'm obsessed with the camera. We're going home. We're gonna get.
Can I get a box melder, please?
Push up your straight,
No, sorry, more bad blood. Sorry, please. Sorry, here.
This is better than sour bear. So happy. This like tastes like 10 times better. But I like sour bear. But this is my new thing now. New flavors out. Anything I put to my mouth, this man want. I'm gonna start lick batty. See him so. You know him? What's dead leaf? Like bad?
Yeah, you know?
Fancy fans.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but he wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky. Now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. And for Pete, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love.
So the lights went out while I was doing her hair, so I have to go outside the veranda.
Love them all that's not what I see. Look what
This dark like If I have to give a vlog with, I'm going to tell what people now.
Yeah, hey, inna the dark. Inna the dark. Hey, inna the dark.
Come guys.
My general, that means Junior out in the dark, you see me? While girl I do her makeup in the dark by the light team. And the next light team are the black. Don't shine light. Don't shine light on the thing. No, black, you can't see the next one. You see me? And then here's the artist I come. See the artist herself. In their ever cute uptown. You see me?
Look what you taught me, and for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you. So fucking grateful for my head. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing, 'cause I met someone else. We had them better discussions. I know they say I'm a one too fast, but this one gon' last. 'Cause her name is Ari, and I'm so good with that.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.